Good morning. Let's pack today's lunchbox. Let's make baby potato masala. Pressure cook baby potato for 4 to 5 whistles. Heat oil in a pan. Add in whole garam masala, onion, salt. Saute for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add in ginger garlic paste and green chilli along with some turmeric powder. Mix well. Add in tomato puree. Mix well and cook covered for 4 to 5 minutes till the tomato raw smell is gone. Add in Kashmiri chili powder and garam masala powder. Mix it for 1 minute. Add in cashew nut, which I have ground into a paste. Add in more water. Keep mixing and adjust the consistency of the gravy by adding more water. Bring everything to a boil. Cover and cook for 4 minutes. Now add in baby potatoes. Simmer for another 4 minutes. That's it. Your masala is done. I packed some chapati. For soft chapati recipe, check the link in the description box. For snacks box, I added mango and my everyday 1 bowl chocolate cake. Check the description box for the recipe. This is what I packed for my kids lunch box today. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.